if you want to edit a watch face on your Xiaomi Watch S3, all you need to do is long press on the current watch face. That should open the watch face editor, and you should see a little button there called edit. If you tap on that, it's going to, if it's the first time, it's going to ask you to save changes or tap OK or tap the watch face. Just say got it. And now here you can see customization options. All right. So for instance, you can change the accent color. So if you don't like orange and you prefer to have the other color, then you can just choose the other color if that's possible. There you go. So you're gonna have to swipe on the watch itself to change the accent color. All right, so if you like that color better, just tap on the check mark and that's it. Now, different watch faces have different levels of customization. You can customize different things. So for instance, if I go to this one, long press on it, tap on edit, you can see I have more color options. All right, so I can just scroll through the different color options that I have, choose the one I like and tap OK. Okay, so that's basically how to edit a watch face on your Xiaomi Watch S3. You can also do that on the Mi Fitness app. So if you launch the app and then go to device and tap on your watch, tap on manage watch faces, and then go to my watch faces to load all your own watch faces. And you can see it says editable below any watch face that you can edit. So if you find one like this one and you want to edit, just open it and then you should see the edit button. And if you tap on that, you can see you can edit different things. Now, like I said, different watch faces have different levels of customization. So for instance, you can change the style. Okay, and you can see what that looks like right there. You can also change the complications if there are any. Let's add a battery complication here. And once you're happy with your edit, you can just tap on apply. Okay, so that is basically how to edit watch faces on your Xiaomi Watch S3. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.